Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the precious metal production news at Commodity-TV. Caledonia Mining announced their quarterly gold production from the Blanket mine in Zimbabwe for the second quarter 2019. The company produced approximately 12,712 ounces of gold during the quarter, which is 6.4% more than the 11,948 ounces from the first quarter 2019. The gold produced for the first half of 2019 was 24,660 ounces, approximately 3.4% lower than the first half in 2018. Caledonia maintains their 2019 full-year production guidance of 53,000 to 56,000 ounces and remains on track. 2019 is the last year of high investments in their new central shaft, and the company expects to produce already in the second half of 2020 with this new shaft. This should grow the gold production to 75,000 ounces and then in 2022 to 80,000 ounces per year. Of course, this leaves room then for maybe a higher dividend by 2022 as the investments fall then drastically. Endeavour Silver reported also their production for the second quarter 2019. Silver production was 1,059,322 ounces and gold production was 9,558 ounces, resulting in a silver equivalent production of 1.8 million ounces at an 80:1 silver-gold ratio. The 22% lower silver production and 30% lower gold production compared to Q2 2018 were due to the planned reduction of mine output at El Cubo and lower throughput and grades at Bolañitos, partly offset by higher production from Guanaceví and initial commercial production from El Compass. The company still faces some trouble at their mines, but is slowly improving. A company-wide review of the 4 mines at the end of Q1 2019 identified several deficiencies in the operating performance at each mine site. As a result, management initiated multiple measures in Q2 2019, including changes of mine site management and contractors, changes to shift and contractor supervision, renting used mining equipment and leasing new mining equipment, revising the 2019 mine plans for all 4 mines, particularly Guanaceví, and reducing the workforce. The company also took actions to cut operating and administrative costs and deferred all discretionary expenditures. Endeavour's immediate goal is to generate free cash flow at current metal prices during the second half of 2019. Management notes that while the actions started to have a positive impact on the mine operating performance in Q2, and that trend is expected to continue in Q3, the company incurred significant one-time expenditures, for example severance payments and down payments for new mining equipment, and once annual expenditures like certain Mexico bonuses and profit sharing, which will impact the company's financial performance in Q2 2019. Bradford Cook, Endeavour's CEO, commented, "After a challenging first quarter, we initiated multiple measures in the second quarter to improve the operating and financial performance at each mine. As a result, we saw increases in mine and plant throughput, silver and gold grades and recoveries at El Compass, and both grades and recoveries at Guanaceví. We expect tons and grades at Guanaceví and grades at El Compass to continue to rise towards the plan in Q3. El Cubo's operating performance was in line with the plan in Q2 and the mine is expected to continue on target in Q3. Bolañitos operated well below plan in Q2, however, the measures implemented there should have a positive impact on its operating performance in the second half of 2019, he said. During the second quarter showed the company very good drill results from Guanaceví and Bolañitos, which is important for the future production. They also received their final tailings permit for the Terronera mine project. Once Terronera is in production, this will change the whole company's cost structure dramatically downwards. They plan to complete a final optimized pre-feasibility study for Terronera in the third quarter and arrange then the financing to build fast the 5th mine. Important to note is that a preliminary economic assessment and mine permitting are both underway for the Parral mine project, which is the largest exploration project in 2019 for the company, and hopefully future mine number 6 for the company too. Endeavour faced some trouble, but it looks like that the management does all to overcome this tough time and still work on the future production of the company and to bring down the AIC company-wide massively. Thanks for watching us and bye-bye from Switzerland.